it's currently 4:20 and we woke up at 3 to prepare. Today, kalau kita nimpa is so noisy. Today we are going to go to Tagaytay! Yay! Tita Ninang! Thank you! See, this is what I mean. This is the reason why we have to wake up earlier. And we're still waiting for our driver. So. And I got a bottle of C2, my little angel bring for me. Oh, I'm so excited. We're in the car. But we're not moving yet because we're waiting. We're waiting for my mother, Kuya, and Tita Nipa. Oh gosh. Yeah, we're all set for Tagaytay, guys. I gave him my egg yolk because I don't like egg yolk. Kuya eat chicken again. And the elderly sit there. The senior citizen na. The senior citizen corner. Yeah, kain tayo. Ellie. Hi. Mab. Mabo. Mab. Mabi. Oh, my hair is a mess, but the view is amazing. Senior Citizens Corner. Aray. Kuya. Aray ko. Okay. So noisy. Aray. Okay. We just arrived at Crater Lake Resort and we're gonna take a boat and go to... Where are we going, Ate?
Inactive Volcano.
We're going to the lake and we're gonna get a boat ride. Yeah! I'm so excited. The view is fantastic. We're gonna get the boat now.
This is 100 pesos.
Look at the view.
Tita Kali, 100 pesos. Really?
Sabi mo, dura kami. Wow! Are you excited, Kuya? Are you excited? Mommy, are you excited? Mommy, are you excited?
Yeah.
I am so excited.
Oh, isa pa.
Wow. Look at the view.
Tita Elena, get one.
We're gonna go across.
Inang, get one light besa.
Oh, yeah, okay. It looks so beautiful. Let's say who want to mommy. Going horse riding. Say hi.
Hi.
So we rode the horse all the way to the top and we finally made it.
Mommy's horse and then her horse shit.
Your horse also shit eh. Your horse keeps shitting eh.
Mine.
Diarrhea. Shit. Mabi drinking his coconut.
We're here.
Kuya says this is called
You must
red
take the
lava. Red lava. Why is it called red lava again?
because it's
Because it's
Crater.
because
red.
because it's red, guys. It's red lava because it's red. Is it, Mavi?
I don't know.
It's very nice view. And then you can see the steam. It's from the volcano. It's a really nice morning. Hi! Hi! Kari, hi! Hi! Oh!
Your phone.
Tata, your phone. That's Kuya. Tata. This bunch of tourists. We just finished horse riding. It was so fun. I loved it. Yeah, I don't know why also. I think it's the hat that Mama made me wear. Anyway, it's this hat. The horse that I rode, the name was Nathan. It was so cute. It's I have photos. It's over there. And then the rider, you have to ride with like a trainer, a professionally trained person. His name was Glenn. He's very nice, my age. And yeah, I had such a great time. Oh my god, I definitely want to come here again. Kelly, how was your experience?
Very fun. My horse's name was Patricia. She was 5.
Okay. What was the best part?
I don't know. It's like when they go very fast.
Did you have fun, Ate?
Yeah. My leg is so pain my butt.
Yeah, because of the
Yeah.
so noisy. Horse riding was good. We're here at Bulalo Point. Look at the view. We're having lunch. Kuya. Say hi. Mami, say hi. This is Halo Halo number 3. This week. It's in a coconut. Mommy, are you amazed? I'm very amazed. Ate, it's in a coconut, ate. It's in a coconut.
Hanggang ba pwede mo matagal sa labas?
Going home. You have fun, Mommy?
Yeah.
Very tired because we've been out since 4 a.m.
Oh.
Actually, we woke up at 3 a.m.
Nakigulo yung isa, oh.
They're running to open the door. I'm so tired, but I'm so happy.